What is a UL2085 fuel tank? It is an above-ground, shop-fabricated, secondarily contained vessel, designed to store flammable and combustible liquids, constructed according to Underwriters Laboratories Standard 2085 entitled Protected Above-Ground Tanks for Flammable and Combustible Liquids. A UL2085 tank is intended to limit the heat transferred to the primary tank during a fire and to protect the tank from physical damage. Some municipalities and cities require UL2085 fuel tank for every power generator, and Fidelity Manufacturing can help you with your need. We deliver standard and custom UL2085 sealed secondary containment sub-base tanks for all equipment manufacturers. For more information, please contact Fidelity Manufacturing.